Srila Gurudev ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Rupan Guru Varg ki jai, Patik Pavan Shri Nityanand Guru ki jai, Prem Purushottam Shachinandan Gaur Hari ki jai, Radha Vinodi Hari Ju ki jai, Radha Ramana Ju ki jai, Giriraj Maharaj ki jai, Hari Naam Sankirtan ki jai, Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki jai, Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.
Sorry, technical difficulty. My finger pressed off.
So thank you all very much for being with us today and for giving us the opportunity to remember the beautiful teachings of our Gurudev and our Guru Varga and to reflect upon them. And also for giving us the opportunity to do our Guru Seva, which is our life and soul. Also thank you for praying with us for the father of Nandu, Yashomati Nandan Prabhu, who just recently passed away within the last couple of hours from this world. We look forward to being with all of you tomorrow. Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.
Ki
Jai.
Shachinandan Gaur Hari
Ki Jai.
Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.